Hello! Today I'm going to be taking you through the steps to make a spring bee. Clarence Regional Libraries are supplying craft packs for the school holidays, which will contain most supplies you'll need for the craft, including a paper yellow circle, yellow rectangle, 2 black strips of paper, recycled print paper, a cardboard roll, pipe cleaner, and sticker eyes. You will need to supply your own scissors, texter, and sticky tape. Let's get started. First, you're going to glue the large yellow rectangle piece of paper to your cardboard cylinder to form the body of the bee. There we are. Now you can grab the bee's head, which is going to be this yellow circle, and stick on the eyes. Chose ones with red eyelids. Also need to make sure it's cut out. And you can grab your texter to draw a smiley face. Also, going to stick on some of the antennas by grabbing your sticky tape. We're going to stick them on the back. Now, you can glue the head on to the body. To the front. There we are. Now we can grab the 2 black strips of paper. These are going to be the stripes for the bee. So you can place it around the middle of the bee. It's 1 stripe. Now, for the next stripe, I like to leave around the same width as one of the other stripes. To leave some yellow space. Okay. Looking good. Now that the body is all done, you can cut out your wings out of the recycled paper and stick them on the back. So the back's here on the opposite side of the head. We're going to have them facing out, so you can have the white edge facing you so that when you turn it around the words will be clear. So I just want to put some glue here. 1 wing, 2 wings, and we're all done. That's one happy spring bee. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed following along with me. Subscribe to Clarence Regional Library's YouTube to receive more videos about kids craft.